Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video trendy and stylish collection of short hair style in undercut. Beautiful ideas of short hair style with different ideas, different art of undercut, shaved art, and so beautiful collection with haircut. Eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Fine straight hair with long bang. Wavy curly hairstyling. Messy hairstyles. Beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. And different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, very attractive collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and many much more latest collection, latest ideas. Of short hair style in undercut, in shaved art. For girls and women who see in this video, I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very pretty, and you look too gorgeous. And I think short hair style change your looks. You look younger, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care yourself and take care your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.